guys, it's Monica. So I am here today to do a tutorial on how to do a super easy hair mask at home. This hair mask has only 2 ingredients. Alright, so before I show you the easiest way to brush out your hair, I need to show you how incredibly knotted my hair gets after not brushing it for literally 1 day. So yesterday, I just like curled my hair a little bit. I put a braid in somewhere, and then I went to bed, didn't brush it this morning, just like threw my hat on and went about my day. And now I have to deal with the consequences. All right, so I'm gonna take my hat off. Oh God. Okay. This is what we're working with here. We got the braid somewhere in there. What's left of the braid, and 20 pounds of hairspray in the braid, which is really painful to even touch and move around my head. Basically, I'm a mess, and let's just brush out our hair and see what happens. I just realized I took the shampoo instead of the conditioner, and I actually have the conditioner now, so I'm gonna mix a bunch of the conditioner. Yeah, this one's conditioner this time. Conditioner, and I'm gonna mix it with scoop coconut oil. That dripped everywhere, all over the floor, and it's very slippery now, so I'm gonna have to wash that after, which is super. Lather up those knots especially nice, because this slippery coconut oil and slippery conditioner is what's going to make those knots just slip right off. Or anything, there will be literally so much grease in your hair that it will not move. Like, look at this. Now we're gonna wait for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes it's gonna be so nice and moisturized that those knots are just gonna right through. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did my makeup, I let my hair air dry, and now I'm gonna finish brushing out the tiny bit of knots that have been left. And there should be like none. So I have extensions in. I'm going to be using this brush. If you have extensions, I 100% recommend it. It is called literally a hair extension brush. It has these loops instead of points, whatever they're called. I don't know if you can see, my hair looks totally different. Like, it is so soft and silky, and it doesn't feel as dry anymore, which is awesome. hair, mix it in, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then you are left with hair that looks like this. Alright, so I had so many knots before I put on the hair mask. My hair was literally like clump, 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 clump. Now, as you can see, my hair is nice, brushed out, clean, fresh, shiny. Love it! Tried the treatments at the salon for moisture. I've tried the treatments that you can buy at Sally's and Walmart for moisture, and honestly, they don't compare to using the coconut oil and the conditioner. In price, number 2 in how long it lasts, and number 3, how often you can do it. So obviously, coconut oil and conditioner, you can literally put it in your hair whenever you want. You have it at about after 2 weeks, my hair starts to feel a little bit dry because of the bleaching, because of the blow drying, everything that I do to my hair on a regular basis. Just gives it a little bit dry, crunchy texture. So this really brings back the shine and the moisture that I love my hair to have. Thank you so much for watching. That was my tutorial on a 2-ingredient, super easy hair mask that gets rid of all of your tangles and leaves your hair feeling so silky, so smooth, and like actually it's really shiny too. Like, can you see that shine?